Hi, I'm Albert Madrench and this is my demo of the final project of the acoustics model. So here we have the Unity program, and here when the program starts running, you will be able to see here you have an audio source, and as you can see, this audio source periodically is starting to launch different rays, and the rays are bouncing between the trunks and the foliage of this forest. As you can see here, we also have another example of that. And here we have a church where if we go inside, we will be able to see that there are a lot of rays inside. Okay, so now I'll try to play the game. So here we will start playing the game. So as you can see, here is one of the examples. And if I press the E key, I've put barriers to the audio source, so the reverb has changed automatically. Okay, I'll go to the forest now, and we'll be able to see that, to hear that even though some of the rays were hitting the trees because of the weight average that I've done to calculate the volume, the reverb level is quite low. So even though some rays may collide with the trees, in average, the program still detects that it's an open area and it's not a closed one. And finally, I'll go to the church, where you will, as you can guess, there will be a lot of reverb. Yeah, so here you have it. Here's the demo. I hope you like it, and thank you for listening to this.